GoPro. For GoPro cameras, battery life has never been a strong feature. In fact, the Hero 9 outlasted the Hero 10 by almost half an hour when we tested out the newer camera. Now, the company has launched a new battery grip, called Volta. Combined with the GoPro's own battery, the Volta grip can deliver up to 4 hours of 5.3K recording at 30 fps. It also comes with integrated camera buttons to give you access to one-handed controls while the GoPro is mounted. You can even use it as a remote control up to 98 feet away, and if you need a tripod for your shoot, you can flip out its built-in legs. The versatility goes further. You can use it to charge, well, anything from its USB-C port. If you're in deep with GoPro's camera series, this could very well replace half of your existing peripherals. You might also like the new Creator Edition package, which includes 2 mods that feature a built-in directional microphone, 3.5mm mic in, HDMI out ports and LED lighting. The standalone Volta grip will set you back $130, and it's available now. Matt Smith. The biggest stories you might have missed. Wyze was aware of a major camera security flaw for 3 years. The vulnerability let intruders access your stored videos. Bitdefender says it informed Wyze of a major security vulnerability in the Wyze Cam V1 in March 2019, but that the device maker didn't inform customers. Recalth product or fully patched the problem in the 3 years since. In fact, Wyze couldn't completely fix the issue, while it did mitigate the problem. With patches, the company appeared to discontinue the camera in January as hardware limitations prevented a proper update. The vulnerability let attackers remotely control the camera without having the value normally needed to authenticate. While they couldn't watch live video as it was encrypted, they could steer the camera, switch it off and access videos saved on the SD card. Continue reading. OnePlus 10 Pro review. It charges incredibly quickly, but GoPro. OnePlus's latest flagship phone is a stylish device with a powerful processor and the ability to recharge incredibly quickly thanks to 65W, and in some regions 80W, Super VOOC tech, courtesy of Oppo. However, the OnePlus 10 Pro can't quite stand up against the best phones out there, with a sometimes middling camera performance. At least it's cheaper than last year's OnePlus 9 Pro. Continue reading. Scientists sequence the most complete human genome yet. The Human Genome Project only sequenced 92%. If you're thinking, wait a minute, didn't scientists produce the complete human genome sequence almost 2 decades ago? Well, you wouldn't be wrong. The Human Genome Project finished sequencing 92% of the human genome back in 2003, but the techniques available at the time left the remaining 8% out of reach until recent years. In a series of papers published in Science, the T2T consortium has reported how it managed to fill in almost all of the missing spots except for 5, leaving only 10 million and the Y chromosome only vaguely understood. Continue reading. Boston Dynamics begins selling its Stretch warehouse robot, but units won't be delivered until 2023 to 2024. Boston Dynamics. Stretch is not quite as exciting or as terrifyingly adorable as the Hyundai-owned Compani's Spot robotic dog, but it can make loading, unloading and moving boxes in warehouses a lot easier. Boston Dynamics is now accepting reservations for deliveries in 2023 and 2024, because it's already sold out this year due to strong per-order demand. DHL is one of the early Stretch customers, signing a $15 million deal with Boston Dynamics to equip its warehouses in North America with the robots over the coming years. TechCrunch reports both Gap and H. Continue reading. E3 2022 is cancelled, but it might be back next year. In January, the ESA announced E3 would be an online-only event, citing concerns over COVID-19 and its potential impact on the safety of exhibitors and attendees. According to a statement yesterday, even that isn't happening. The ESA said E3 will return in 2023. The association added it will devote all our energy and resources to delivering a revitalized physical and digital E3 experience next summer. Continue reading. Xbox Game Pass will reportedly get a family plan. Up to 5 players could share a subscription at a special rate. Unlike Netflix, Spotify and many other subscription services, the Xbox Game Pass currently has no option for multiple users to share one account. This has been a common frustration among Xbox players over the years, particularly those who live with other Xbox gamers. Game Pass subscriptions are tied to specific Xbox profiles, allowing players to sign in from anywhere. The family plan will reportedly allow up to 5 players on a single subscription and should debut later this year. A family plan could give Microsoft an extra edge over Sony's PlayStation, which recently announced its revamped set of subscription plans. Continue reading. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.